In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the 3D rotate command. Whether you're an experienced user or just starting to explore AutoCAD's 3D capabilities, this command is invaluable for manipulating objects with precision and ease. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your AutoCAD workspace is set up and ready. The first thing you need to do is switch to a 3D view mode. This step is essential because it allows for easy maneuvering and gives you a better view of your model, which is crucial when working in 3 dimensions. You can switch views by going to the View tab and selecting a perspective that suits your workspace. An isometric view is often a good choice because it provides a balanced view of your model, which is crucial when working in 3 dimensions. Once you're comfortably in a 3D view, turn your attention to the command line. Type in 3D rotate and press enter. This command is specifically designed for rotating objects in 3-dimensional space, giving you the flexibility you need for detailed designs. This action activates the 3D rotate feature in AutoCAD. Now, with the command activated, use your mouse to make your first selection. You need to select 2 points that will serve as the axis around which your object will rotate. Think of these as the anchor points that establish the rotation line. Pick your points carefully to ensure accuracy, as they determine the pivot line. Use the snap feature if needed for precise selections. After your points are set, it's time to specify the angle of rotation. You can enter this angle manually in the command line, giving you the exact degree measurement for how much you want to rotate your object. If you're unsure about the angle, refer to your design needs or any notes you have prepared. And that's it. Your object rotates within your specified parameters, transforming as intended. It may take some practice to perfect your technique, so don't hesitate to experiment with different angles and axis points to see how they affect your model. Remember, the 3D rotate command is a powerful tool in your AutoCAD toolkit and can greatly enhance your ability to create and modify complex designs. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.